All right, welcome back to the AI Illustrated Business and Career channel for regular working class people. Now, if you've just landed here, this is our third video in a 4-part playlist. There will be a link in the description and at the end. It'll make a whole lot more sense if you watch from the beginning. And with that, let's get started. Our brains are the most incredible tool in the universe. When we think of superpowers, we often think of gifts like flying or maybe being invisible, but the ability to use that chunk of meat in your skull is actually a superpower. And if you've driven anywhere recently, you know exactly how rare the ability to use that superpower is. And there's always a but. And I want you to think of this but as the fattest ass you've ever seen, because this but is that important. Our minds are most often our greatest enemy. This is a constant theme throughout my work. Your mind is like this huge SUV. An SUV is an awesome tool. It'll haul stuff, tow stuff, carry you wherever you want to go, keep you cool in the summer, keep you warm in the winter. But if you don't keep it under control, it will kill people and break things. Similarly, your mind will open the world to you. It will also close off reality from you. It can enable you to enjoy a life that you've never dreamed possible, and it can very literally kill you. So in this video, we are talking about how our minds destroy us by convincing us that we are really better than we actually are. Now, if you're not familiar with the Dunning-Krueger effect, you should do some research. There's a ton of videos, ton of information, something you really want to know. But the short version is, you know that a-hole at work who learned one thing and now they think they are the stuff? Yeah, that's Dunning-Krueger. But Dunning-Krueger isn't just for the a-holes. We all experience it. If we learn a little bit of something, we think we know more than we actually do. We don't know what we don't know. Now, hopefully we aren't a-holes about it, but we experience it. Which brings us to our third truth. Now, starting off with a quick review, in the first video we said that knowledge and skill are the foundation of life, that we are the product of what we know, but also the product of what we don't know, and that what we don't know is destroying us. Then in the second video, we said that if we will fix what we don't know through small daily increases in knowledge and skill, it will pay off exponentially. That we don't have to get that much better to go from being Kmart, bankrupt, out of business, to Walmart, one of the biggest businesses in the world. So then our third truth, when you're standing on a mountain peak, you can't climb any higher. Which is a problem, because if you think the place you are right now is the mountain peak, you won't even try to go higher. And this is where people get hung up, because we think we know more than we do. If we could remind ourselves all day, every day, how little we know, remind ourselves that what we don't know is destroying us, and remind ourselves that if we can get a little bit better every day, it'll pay off exponentially, then we stay hungry to learn. And if we stay hungry, we keep moving forward. And over time, we find ourselves in a place that we didn't even think was possible. We need to stay hungry and humble. Hungry to learn more, to increase our knowledge and skill. Humble to not think that we are experts, to not assume that others can't teach us, to avoid thinking anyone who disagrees with us is wrong. An attitude of being hungry and humble will change the way others see and respond to you. It will change the way you see and respond to them. And one of the great keys to success is the ability to get other people to cooperate with you instead of stabbing you in the back. Never standing on the mountain peak is a step in that direction. And the final step, the one that we call when skills have babies, is in the next video. We'll see our subscribers there. And for those of you who aren't subscribers, it's a shame you're going to miss out. What can we do? Have a great day.